So here we are on how the controls in your hose reel work. Basically, all the hose reels on the GTS units will be the same, except for the 200 GTS. That hose reel is slightly different. All these hose reels here are made in-house. So here we are on the controls of the hose reel. You can see you got a main power on and off, motor operation, load and unload to change the direction of the motor, which way the reel spins. And also there's a belt tension switch, which will tighten or loosen the actuator. So when you're traveling, you want to have some tension on the belt, so you tighten it up so that your hose reel won't freewheel as you're driving down the road. So when you go to unroll hose, you can hit the loosen your actuator all the way out, loosen it right off, and then you can physically grab the hose here, and the hose reel will spin quite easily. So you can roll your hose out that way, and then when you get to where you want it, got enough hose out, just tighten your hose reel up. There you can see it stop. Tighten it up. Also, you can use down here on the ground, there's a foot switch. So you can go to, if you want to unload with the foot switch, go to unload, step on the foot switch, and it'll turn the hose reel. Or to load, you flip your switch to load, and hit the button, and it'll fire up. There's also, you can see how fast it's going there. There's also a motor speed, so you can turn it down to whatever speed you need to go. You can go really, really slow if you want, or really fast, depending on how you want to do it. So, also, there's 3,000 feet of hose on this hose reel. This is a 400 GPS. Different models will vary. Just because the unit has only 3,000 feet of hose doesn't mean that's all the unit's capable of. You definitely can add some more hose depending on what you're doing. I just want to show you how you would roll out the hose on a 200 GPS. This one is plugged into the manifold here. What you do, disconnect this, rig the end loose. If you pull this knob here, pulling that knob out will release the brake on the reel. And then you can just pull it out. You pull it out, roll it all out. Connect both ends back to this manifold when you get the ends out. Lock this back in place. To roll it up, you'll take this out here, set it on the ground, basically push on the foot switch, and it'll roll the hose back up.